Your GE refrigerator alarm is designed to prevent food spoilage and energy waste by alerting you to problems like temperature deviations, open doors, or ice buildup. A GE refrigerator has key components including the door, seals, freezer, and air vents that work together to maintain proper cooling. If your alarm is constantly going off, first check if the refrigerator is too full, blocking airflow. Next, ensure proper temperatures: 35 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit for the fridge and 0 to 5 degrees Fahrenheit for the freezer. Inspect the refrigerator door to see if it's fully closed, including any obstructions. If your GE fridge was released post 2020, a recent firmware update may have made alarms overly sensitive. The next step is to inspect door seals for damage or misalignment, which leads to constant alarms. Finally, check for excessive ice buildup in the freezer, which can block air vents and affect temperatures. Once you've identified the likely cause, here's how to fix it. For temperature alarms, manually defrost the freezer if there's excessive ice. Check the evaporator coil for frost or debris. For door alarms, replace faulty door switches, which will usually cost about $20 to $50, and make sure it is aligned correctly. If your GE fridge has Wi-Fi, use the app to run diagnostics, which save you over $200 plus from having a technician come. According to repairclinic.com, door switch failures account for 35% of alarm cases and ice buildup for 25%. So tackle those first. Also, consider the external environment. If you live in a humid climate, this can also affect sensor sensitivity. As of 2025, GE and Samsung are trying to fix this with AI tools that automatically diagnose refrigerator issues.